Okay, good morning everyone. I have received now a new replacement motor from AZGIANT, a Chinese company, and this is the correct part by the looks of it. One thing that appears to be quite important with the pump for this car is the fact that apparently there are two different models. One, the shaft is completely straight, obviously with the little groove there, and this shaft is 6.4 millimeters thick. The one I received before had a little groove. I'm gonna post a picture in between. So here we are. I'm ready to once again do the job. I'm gonna take the old pump and replace it with this unit, and hopefully we can have the tailgates working again. Okay, just to mention it, is one T30 there and another T30 there. You undo these two screws, just put them there to one side. Now, very important, keep the pump upright when you pull it out, otherwise all the fluid will come out. Once you pull it out, you'll see this little plastic there, and as you can see below there are two more T30s. Pull out the little plastic and this is what you should see. Here we go. The old motor has been removed, the new one is in place, the two T30s are back on. I will fit the little plastic, which is, I assume, the gears for the pump. I've started the screws by hand, and now slowly, okay, the other side. I'll let go of the phone recording, make sure they're tight, then I'm going to turn it around and top up with hydraulic fluid. All done. And that's the brand of the replacement motor. I found it online, but I don't know what else I can say. It's all working. I'm going to close it all up and test it again once it's done. Obviously, I'm removing that. Thank you. Now with the car full, it's back in there. Door, I think it's all closed.